What's going on, guys? Today it's raining, but I'm not going to stop from showing you how to install a roof rack on a Crosstrek using the Haulmaster by Harbor Freight. It's like $100. You can find it, you can only buy it in store, it's not available online. Then I'm using OEM Subaru roof rails, since you do need something to mount this on, otherwise you'll see what I mean. Let's get started. We're gonna start with mounting the Subaru rails on the roof, and then we're gonna mount the basket on top of the rails. So we're using the factory OEM Subaru. Here's the part number. Pause it if you need it. And for the basket, we're using Haulmaster. Here's the part number. Pause it if you need it. The basket was actually only $90. Sometimes you can even find a Harbor Freight coupon to get it even cheaper. Quality is actually pretty decent. I put it together just to get a general idea of the size. I think it's perfect for the Crosstrek. I'm probably going to take these Haulmaster decals off though, just to clean it up. Be very careful using box cutters. Here's some of the hardware that came with the roof rack kit. The brackets that go on top, along with the brackets that sandwich it in place that go at the bottom of the rail. The tightness of it is actually adjustable with these knobs, and the Subaru roof rack rails go right in the center. These are the rubber covers that go over the hardware, this hardware that you use to screw things together and keep the basket fully secured. The rubber sleeve will go on top of the hardware as it shows right here. You install the hardware first and then you slide the sleeve on top. The sleeves go over the hardware to protect it from the elements so it doesn't rust easily or fall out. And to get rid of the sticker residue over here, we are using some Goo Gone. Just spray it on top and wipe it down with a paper towel. First step to install the brackets is to snap the plastic blocks in place from the bottom, and then you put the metal portion on top, and you don't need to tighten anything else right now. It'd still be able to slide left and right to position it in the general area you want it to be. Once you have the basket fully assembled, just set it aside along with the mounting hardware. The rest of the stuff that were in the box, pretty much just extras. The plugs, the plastic plugs are trash. So here are the factory Subaru roof rack rails. It actually comes with a tool to install it, so you don't even need to take anything else out. The Torx bolts right here to take the bracket bottoms off. These portions actually slide in and out depending on where on the roof you want to put it, and the other side is a fixed one. Please keep in mind that one rod is actually longer than the other. So it basically works like a clamp. You loosen the top screw to take the bottom one off, and then you put it on once you have it installed on the car. You want to make sure to put the longer one up front and the shorter one on the back. So I have everything installed but not fully tightened just yet, just to get a general idea of where everything is going to be on the car, so I can put it on all together and then we can just fine tune it when it's on the car. I left enough room for the brackets to slide in and out so I can position it properly before I tighten everything. The factory rail is actually rated for 150 pounds, just like the basket, so they're actually a perfect match. Here's what it looks like on the car. I left the brackets off so I can slide the whole basket back and forth and fine-tune things. You actually wanted to leave everything loose anyway, so you can get the mounting bolts through these holes, which is under the basket. The most important thing is to get the rails lined up perfectly left and right, and then properly fully secure the clamps in place, and then you can slide around the basket and fine-tune it just to make sure everything is perfectly centered. You'll know that the brackets are tight enough if you can shake the whole car and the basket does not move. Now you will see that there is room to slide the basket back and forth like 6 inches, but I'm pretty happy with where it is up front. Probably gonna put some lights up top and throw some wheels on it soon. If you found any of this information to be helpful, do me a favor and smash that like button. And if you like this kind of content and would like to follow this Crosstrek project, next up will be wheels. Make sure to stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. All the roof rack options along with the roof rails for the Crosstrek will be in the description below. And that'll be it for today. Thank you for watching.